everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's my first vlog. Let me introduce myself. I am Riya and currently I am in graduation semester 4, also preparing for UPSC. So be a part of my journey. So let's start the video. Currently it's 11 in the night and I am listing all the things that I have to do tomorrow. It is always beneficial to make a to-do list a day earlier, as when you wake up next morning, you already know what you have to do. I woke up few minutes ago and now I am on terrace, as a small walk on the terrace refreshes my mind. Starting your day with a glass of warm water is very beneficial for your health. So here it is. It's 8 a.m. and I am starting my studies. It's first session of the day. I am studying history from NCERT. As I am beginner, I am completing my chapters from NCERT first. So it's 10 a.m. now and I am done with my first session of the day, and now I am having my breakfast. While eating food, I just love to watch vlogs on YouTube, and I watched the vlog of Sabah Ibrahim, as it gives me a lot of positivity and I feel very good and happy after watching her vlog. So here it goes. And now it's 10:30 and it's time to read newspaper. So here I am done with my newspaper reading. It approximately took me 1.5 hours to complete my newspaper reading. So it's 12 now and I have to attend my online tuition classes for my college subject, and here I am revising the things that were taught in last class. It's 2:30 p.m. and I am back after taking a quick bath. And here I have started the second session of the day, and here I am completing economics chapter related to sector. It's 4:30 now and I'm done with my economics chapter. Time to complete my lunch and take a small break. It's 6 now and I am back after a small nap. As it was raining outside, my mom has prepared the snacks. Started my third session of the day, and in this session I am practicing CSAT as I haven't taken any book for CSAT, so I practice it from YouTube videos, and in Google there is a website called India Bigs from where I get many questions related to aptitude and reasoning which I practice. It's 10 now and I'm here doing a quick revision of the things I have studied today. This revision is very beneficial to memorize the things in our mind